hello people. Today I wanted to talk about one important thing, and I will explain to you why I added different colors to specific frames. The thing is, when you work with Krita, we have got limitation of onion skin only up to 10 frames backwards. If you want to draw something which is far beyond that, this can be a problem. But I found a good solution how you can focus on one of the characters. For example, I want to draw this. What I will do, I will go to filters. I will choose one of the colors. Now we have character number 10 green color. So we can quickly focus on what we draw. What I will do, I will make empty blank, create blank keyframe. This I have to draw something on this frame. Okay, to use a smudge brush to add some movement. But in this frame, what I will do, I will focus on number 10, and I will use option called copy keyframes, and I will use paste keyframes. But this tutorial was mainly about how to use option. I don't know how this option is called. Let me know in comment section. Probably Krita should tell me. Maybe I will call this how to color keyframes in Krita. I think this is wonderful feature what they added. Okay, this doesn't need a color. You can check this box and it will no longer be blue color. But yet, it's not what we think it is. Okay, because I will probably have to draw something else to be able to change its face. Okay, that's it. I hope you like my video tutorial. I like very much this feature. Maybe this is to do with next or previous frame, but I use this feature to select a specific frame. And people, I hope you like this video tutorial, and I will have to go to work in a minute.